In front of me is POCO M8 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to open Themes app, hit Home or Category at the bottom and find perfect theme for you. You can also use this search bar to type in whatever you want to and all of those categories here. After finding a perfect theme, I want to go with this one or this one. This one is cool. Hit download. Tap on Customize if you, for example, don't want your icons to change, and then tap on Apply. Or if you want to change all of those options, hit Apply instantly. If you see this pop-up and you don't want to risk it, you need to pick another theme. You can also hit Got It and check out how it works. Either way, wait and exit Themes app to check out the change. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wanna go back to a default one or any other one you ever downloaded, go back to Themes, hit My Account at the bottom right corner, select Themes at the top and choose POCO or Limitless. Then tap on Customize or Apply instantly and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!